my name is Sahari. I am a life designer, manifestation specialist, and a creator of the YOUZen Life. YOUZen Life is helping many people to craft their own life as they desire. And so today I wanted to share with you 5 things you must live in order to find a joy and happiness in a most difficult time. So this actually 5 steps or 5 things I share with you today. I personally applied this when I was going through the depression myself. So I healed my depression through the power of mind. And then now I'm sharing with you, not all of them, but the 5 things I think is the most important part. So number 1, first thing is be the master of your own mind. We often most of us living with an autopilot mode, which means your subconscious, which is not necessarily helping you, those beliefs run your life. So you have to consciously shift this and change this and rewire these beliefs so your life started to shaping up the way you want it. So we think 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day, isn't it a lot? Those thoughts create emotion. And from this emotion, we act on it. And 90% of those thoughts is actually exactly the same yesterday. So this means if you really want to change your life, something from very painful place to happy place, you got to be the master of your actual mind. So that's the first thing you need to master on. Number 2, intentional living. In order to achieve number 1, to become master of your own mind, taking driver's seat of your own life, you have to start living intentionally. What I mean by that is every single moment you live intentionally. So even first thing in the morning, this is what you can do even from tomorrow. First thing in the morning, you decide what you want in your life instead of, oh my god, now I'm late, hit the snooze button so many times, getting up, quickly going to the shower, shove the breakfast in and worry about it, you're gonna be late, and now you're stuck in the traffic, oh my god, now I'm gonna be in trouble. Instead of that thought, you could have started the first thing in the morning, nope, all gonna work out perfectly fine. I'm gonna breathe and living intentionally. This sort of thing you can do every single moment, every time you changing the pattern of the life, you can do that. So number 2 is intentional living. Number 3 is live in a present moment. So mindfulness practice. So in order to do 1 and 2, of course you got to be in the present moment. Because as I said in number 1, we automatically thinking those 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts. So in order to change this thought, you have to be in the present moment and realize how you're actually feeling in the body, what you're actually thinking, and then rephrase it, changing the feel emotion in the body in a constant basis. So something like very simple you can do is just focus onto the breathing. You don't have to meditate forever. You know, I love meditation, but for some people, it's a little bit of the resistance to start meditation every single day. So this is something simple thing you can do start today. So just focus onto the breathing, and you realize quickly how shallow your breathing is. So you breathe quite deeply into the very deep in the stomach and breathe out completely. Do slow as possible. By even doing this, you started to realize how much your attention was out there instead of with you. So start today. be pleasant moment. There's so many different ways, but this is one thing you can start today. Number 4, find gratitude. Be fun around this practice and enjoy it. Reason why we find in a painful situation or depressed situation or sad or worrying or all that sort of thing, because we wired our brain to look for it. So those same thoughts every day is wired to look for that. So our brain, the job is looking for what you're feeling and what you want. Not necessarily it's supportive for you. So you got to consciously changing those patterns. So from today, you just be playful and fun and started looking for the gratitude in your life. Just something like kids play. Like I spy with my little eyes. I can see the gratitude in my life. This, that. Just started looking for it. Maybe if you are going through a very difficult time, like unhealthy body, it's not really well in the body, or financially difficult, relationship really hard, it's not that easy. I get it. But I'm sure you can find a small little thing. For example, maybe gratitude towards the pet, maybe beautiful flower on the sideline, beautiful blue sky, anything shift the emotion that will start to changing your perception in your life. All right, last one, number 5 is do not judge your emotion, good or bad. Emotion is just simply telling you where you're at. Your job is be present moment. You notice how you're feeling and shift it. So if you're feeling worry thought, you can quickly think about it. Okay, I'm feeling worry now. Consciously realize that and okay, can I do something about this? Yes or no? If yes, take the action. If no, what's the point basically? So just release those emotions from the body. Just imagine that's just kind of just imagine those negative or non-supportive emotion as a gray cloud or something, and it coming with your breath, it's just coming out from the body. By doing so, you soon realize you feel relaxed and calm. So do not judge it. You don't think, oh my God, I'm feeling worried again. I'm always judging people, always doing this. Do not judge that yourself. Just simply face that feeling and let that out and then replace with something good. Do not suppress negative emotion with positive thinking. Positive thinking has to come after releasing those emotions. Hope this is helpful for you. This is a 5 thing. I personally use it when I going through the depression and it turn my life around completely. So that's it from me. Thank you for checking in. See ya.